Okay, guys, welcome back. I don't know if y'all can see me right now, but hey. Today I am going to be buying the multiple floors game pass on Bloxburg. So let's do that. Oh yeah, that's my friend. We're on Discord right now. As y'all can see, I already have premium, and right now I have 510 Robux. So if I do five, yes, I will only have 200 if I buy the multiple floors. So should I do this? I'm asking you a question, guys. Should I do this? I only have 200. Dun, 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 dun. We bought it! We did it, guys! We did it! We did it! It's accomplished! We have multiple floors. Yes! Now we only have 210, which I'm using it on clothing. So thank you so much for watching. Bye!